The new generations of Škoda's Superb and Kodiaq models have successfully passed intensive cold testing in the Arctic Circle. The vehicle's functions, quality and durability were assessed in temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius. The main focus of these tests was on driving stability, passenger comfort in icy conditions, and overall reliability during long winter journeys. In addition, the vehicles had to withstand the extra weight of ice and snow. With the extreme cold trails completed, testing of the new models now enters the final phase. The new Superb and the second generation Kodiaq will have their world premieres in autumn 2023.